giving my hair a little treatment, to getting my nails done and everything like that. So we're gonna get the process started with this video with doing my hair. And don't come for me, don't come for me. Din Din, look at Din Din. Baby cooked for me. And then you got the rice, the white rice.
That rice is turning out.
So we're gonna eat our food and then we're gonna wash our hair. I really need to let a mask or something sit in my hair for a little bit because it needs some TLC, some extra TLC. I just had to come on here and show y'all my goodies. Come through healthy hair. Okay. She got hands on. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. This sit in for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna tune in with y'all when I start getting my nails done, because it's 10 o'clock or whatever and I'm not showing y'all how I style my hair because I don't even know how to style my hair, but it's looks full. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we are literally preparing and packing to go on vacation back home. So in this video, y'all literally are going to go to the store with me to get some essentials, pack up my bag, clean up, and get to this airport. Okay, so yeah, I just had to come on here. Y'all look at the hair, it looks all healthy and stuff, but I'm going back home for a week. It's long overdue because I miss my people miss me, and I just Lord. But it's crazy because we leave today. It is 8 something on a Saturday and we have to be at the airport at like 4 something ish. Nothing packed. So black, I know, child, don't judge me. So we're just gonna go around real fast, get some stuff that we need for this trip, and it's crazy because it's raining outside. So yeah, there's that too. Come on, let's go. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. My mind, what you need and what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind, what you need and what you like. I could be paranoid, the observation before me. You had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. Y'all, I actually like my nails, like the shape and everything, and they're getting longer. And the first time, or like, she basically like glued it down a little bit at the bottom or whatever so that the nail won't lift up. But I like them, they cute real cute. Like some fall trees and stuff like that gonna do it every time for me, every time. One thing about a black parent, They gonna hold you to what you said that you was gonna do for them. Let me stop and get this perfume for this lady before she take my head off. I'm gonna get this bottle of Fancy Blush. It's this one right here, y'all. Smell good. That great.
I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Stay from me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Nothing at all.
So now it's time to pack my carry-on. Well, Spirit has like new little bundles or whatever, so you can go big, go, what is it, go swavy, go head. So I just need to pack this bag for personal items, but it's everything and they mama in here. I knew I had razor. Oh my god, I knew I had some, but I forgot where I put them when we was moving everything.
I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid, the observation before me. You had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all.
Alright y'all, so literally everything is packed and ready to go. I got my blanket. Ooh, my phone falling. Y'all, I'm ready to get back home. Like, I'm ready to see my people. It's been long overdue. I ain't seen them in 5 months. I haven't seen them in 5 months, but it feel like 5 years, okay? It's the only excuse. Gotta have a fry. And you finna eat something. Alright y'all, so we got a layover in Vegas and he acting like he not finna eat, but I don't care what he talking about. Like, I really don't. Coffee. We got King in the back. Say what's happening. Boarded our plane at 6 something. Didn't land in Vegas until 8:30. Wait. So we boarded our plane at 6:14. We took off at 7. We got on the thing, or we landed in Vegas at 7:30, I think I want to say. No, 8:30. My bad. Time's wrong. 8:30. Landed in Vegas at 8:30. Was in Vegas for 3 hours. We didn't start boarding until 11:35 p.m. Didn't get here till 7. Got the rental. I see my mama. Hey girl, mama. I miss my mama, y'all. So seen my mama, caught up with my sisters, then literally took a midday nap, and then got up, got in the shower, then went to his auntie house where he is today, and we going to my other sister house. So it's a lot, y'all. Traveling is not for the weak. I'm really tired. Like, I really want to go to sleep, but I'm gonna go see my mother freaking sister. So I don't know what this vlog is gonna look like. I don't even know if it's gonna be a good one, but we're gonna make it a good one. I'm really comfortable right now. I'm chilling. I'm at home, baby. I'm at home. Okay, I'm at home. When you come back home, you gotta separate your own hair. Oh, Jack.
I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all.
Alright, y'all, so it's day, I don't know what day it is, but basically, you know, when you got your bonnet on or something like that, your hair ain't all the way it did. So my hair's not all the way done. We did stop, but we finishing it today. But I gotta go get some food for these children, so we're gonna do that. So we got Church's chicken because Miss Ma'am back there wanted to be black so bad. So we getting Church's chicken. Thank you. And King over here mocking people and stuff. Money, how you feeling back there, bro?
I want my hair done.
Me too.
Degrees.
Alright, so we got
It's raining over the 100 degrees.
degrees. Degrees. Real black. Boy! Quick little bathroom break, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. We finna finish. She cute. Weird. Y'all, black people are always being black people, because why are we Thanksgiving shopping for Thanksgiving food on Thanksgiving Day? Don't judge us. Judge your mama. But we didn't win Thanksgiving shopping. Then we got our Thanksgiving food that we trying to get. She over here talking about a candy cane, and then got the cleaning supply, like, and then got the underwear. Yeah, we getting it done. Okay, this tastes good. This one of them ones.
I can break you off. for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your hips do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, and your hips do it all. Take for me when I don't go.
So my sister did my hair and I'm excited about that. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I don't know if she's taking on new clients or nothing, so I ain't even gonna advertise, but I'm gonna say thank you, sis. Cause you brought my vision to life. And the parts is parting. And the boho is hoeing. Next up.
Stop.
No. Next up. Brows. So I'm tuning with y'all.